We put these sheds up about 2 summers ago. There is another one over there, I promise. But I just thought I'd show how they're doing in the winter. The sides were starting to bow a little bit whenever we had, 3 feet of snow on top of them before the crew came out and got the snow off the top. But other than that, they've held up pretty good. The year before, we just did a little bit better at keeping the snow off of the roof. But these are a nice sized shed that have the double door in the front. It is lockable and could probably fit a small riding lawnmower if you really wanted to. These ones we built with a wooden base of like 2x6s, I believe, with some plywood on top of it, and then there's the flooring that comes with the sheds, and then the sheds go up pretty easy. The instructions are pretty good on that. Me and my wife put both of the sheds up, and our friend did the bases, so we didn't really have much to do with the bases, but it's not too bad. You just got to make sure that your floor is pretty level, and other than that, it was not too big of a deal. Hopefully once the summer hits and all the snow melts, I can get inside and do a better review of these things.